Hello everyone, this is Sivagami from SNS College of Engineering. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we going to learn about the topic is data types in Java. Data types in Java. What is meant by data types? Java is statically typed and also a strongly typed language. Java is a statically typed and also a strongly typed language because in Java each type of data is predefined as the part of the programming language and also contains or variables defined for a given program must be described with one of the Java data type. Data types in Java are of different size and values that can be stored in the variable that is made as per convenience and circumstance to cover up of all test cases. Java has two categories in which data types are segregated: primitive data type and then non-primitive data types. Primitive data types such as a boolean, character, int, short, byte, long, float and double. These are all the primitive data types. The boolean with uppercase B is a wrapper class for the primitive data type boolean in Java. The next one is non-primitive data types that are all such as string, array, etc. Here I give a one flowchart for a data types in Java. There are two types in Java, one primitive data type and then non-primitive data type. In primitive data type also categorized into two sessions: non-numerical data and numerical data types. The non-numerical data types are such as boolean and then char. The numerical data types are integer. The integer contains the whole numbers. In this type we have four data types. Okay, byte, short, int and long. The floating point, the next one is floating point. The data contains decimal point. That time we have to use float and double. The another data type is non-primitive data type. These data types are string, array, etc. Here I give an example for a data types. Int I equal to 100. Here I give I declare a variable I. Its data type is 100. I store the value 100 into the variable name. Okay, the next one is float. Float f, I give a variable name is f equal to 2.45 f. Why we going to here give a f at the end of the end of the number? Because our Java consider all the decimal values is considered as the data type is double. So if suppose we want to give our variable in a float data type, we should put f at the end of the numeric value. Okay, the next one is character. The char the char data type is used to store a single variable, single letter into a variable. In that time we have to use the char data type. And then boolean b. Boolean is have a true or false values. And then string string. The string is, what does mean by string? It is the sequence of character is known as the string. The string value enclosed with double quotes. And also we see our character is also declared enclosed with single enclosed with the single quotes. Integer data type. In integer data types, I mean Whole numbers have there are four types in the data type. One is int, one is byte, short, int, and then long. The byte have the one byte of data will we going to store into the byte data type. Its ranges minus 128 to 127 values up to. If suppose I'm going to save 128, I mean positive integer 128, I'm going to store in that byte. It will produce the system will produce a error. So we going to short. Okay, in short data types ranges, the storage memory size is 2 bytes. Its range is minus 32768 to 32767. Okay, the default value is 0. The next one is int. The most commonly used data types are int. Its value is byte, and then its ranges I given. You have to check it, and then long is the 8 bytes. Long data type can store as 8 bytes of values. Default value is 0. Okay. The floating point. The float and a double are used for the decimal values. Here also I give a ranges for the float values. Already I said if suppose want to we declare our variable and a float, data type is float, we must put f at the end of the value of the variable. And then the next one is char data type. The char data type, its bytes value is, its storage value is true. The character value in the character should enclosed with the single quotes. The next one is boolean type used for logical values. It's our condition may be true or false. In that times we have to use the boolean data type. Its size of the boolean data type is 1 bit. The value true or false. Default value is false. For example, boolean is Java fun equal to true. Boolean is running is equal to false. Here I give a simple example program for our data types. Okay. Here I put first the public class private example. The public is a access specifier, class is the keyword, and then private primitive example is our class name. Here public static void main string aux. This line represents our Java main function. Okay, here I have declared byte value equal to 127. Short I give just values for the data types. Okay, just I give values for the data types and print all the values. Okay. Here the output of the program is here. You just put a program into our system. You just find the output. The next one is non-primitive data types. String. A string of character, example string equal to the string enclosed with double quotation. The string is a sequence of character. Okay. The next one is array. Array is a collection of more than one elements. The array is more than one elements of the same data type. Actually, why we using the array means in other data types we have to store one value into one variable, but we have to use an array variable. We store more than one values in a single variable, but one condition is all the elements should in same data type. Thank you all.